gonna start from here. Our first player, Mehdi Boy Ramazan. Say something about yourself, man.
Hi, it's Mahdi. I'm half Filipino, half Iranian. I'm here for almost 6 years and I'm studying dentistry in Central Escolar University in Manila. And nice to meet you guys. Thank you for your support.
All right. Pass the mic to the next player.
Hi, I'm Raul Abelio. I grew up in Holland and I'm playing futsal for 2 years now. Thank you for your support.
Our next player, Vince the Prince.
Hi everyone, I'm Vince Bautista. I've been playing futsal for almost 8 years now. And it's good to see the crowd. There are a lot. Thanks for the support, SM, and enjoy the show.
And our next player is Sajjad the Hulk Alan.
Hi everyone, I'm Sajjad Alan Aquino. You can call me Saj. I'm also half Pinoy. I'm proud to be Pinoy. Thank you for coming all today here.
Darius the Wall Zandy.
Maayong hapon sa inyo, tanan. Sana mas masuportahan yung futsal. Thank you.
And of course, the one and only number 9, Misak Bahadoran.
Hi guys, I just want to say thank you guys for your support and having us here, especially to SM Masinag. And I played for national team for 6 years in futsal, and now I'm playing for Oscars for 2 years already. And I'm so happy to see you guys all here and supporting us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Our next player, Paolo, the Chick Boy Pascual.
Hello, ngayong hapon. I'm Paolo Pascual. Thank you sa support nyo tanan. I hope you continue to support the Muzangs and I hope you enjoy your afternoon. Salamat.
Our next player from Brazil, half Brazil, half Filipino, Romeo, the magic lefty, Rodriguez.
Hello guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate for all support. You guys watching us this afternoon. Thank you very much.
Our next player, Nasser, the Legionnaire Season.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming. Thanks for your support. We'll be very happy to play futsal here. Thank you.
And next, of course, our very own samurai goalkeeper, Guilherme.
Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Gomez Hasegawa. I grew up in Japan and now I come to play Philippine Muzang. Thank you for support. I appreciate it.
I'd like to introduce also the Muzang's team manager, Mr. Mel Makasaki, and assistant team manager, Mr. Ace Bright.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. These guys are world-class athletes and we're here to prove that we are the best futsal team in the world. Am I right guys?
Yes!
So with the help of this team, headed by our team captain, Mr. Misak Bahadoran, we are going to prove people that we are the #1 futsal team in the world. Thank you so much.